What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel and to another cleaning video. If this is your first time here, my name is Nia and I make lifestyle, motherhood, and organizational videos. So please consider subscribing. I make new videos every single week. And today we are going to be tackling all of our clothes in our bedroom. That includes our closet as well as our dresser. And I'm not only going to be tackling my clothes, but also Nick's clothes as well. So I did have him come up a little bit later on in the day so he could tell me what items could actually be thrown away and what items he wanted to keep. I'm also going to be sharing with you 5 different organizational hacks for your clothes that you guys can incorporate into your life. So definitely make sure to stay to the end of the video so you get all 5 of these amazing tips, especially right in time for spring cleaning. So the method that I decided to use today is going to be the Konmari method, and basically what it says is to take everything out of your closet or your dresser drawers and go through every single item and ask yourself if it sparks joy. Because a lot of the times we do tend to hold on to items that we probably don't feel our best in, or items that just don't fit us anymore, but for some reason we hold on to them. So her whole method is, does it spark joy? If the answer is yes, then definitely keep that item, but if it's no, it's time to get rid of it. A really great hack when it comes to organizing your closet is to hang everything backwards on the rod. Once you wear something, hang it the normal way, and a year from now, if you still have some things that are still hanging backwards, it's obviously time to let them go. Before putting all of your clothes back into the closet, considering switching to one type of hanger, it's going to make a huge difference. If you have varying different types of hangers, they can get caught on one another, or because of the different heights, you may not actually see some of the clothes that you have in your closet. So by switching over to one particular hanger, it's really going to make your life a lot easier. I specifically like those really thin hangers that are covered in velvet because I find that my clothes do not fall off of these hangers, and you can really get them affordably at Home Goods. I believe Target might even sell them as well. When it comes to clothes that do not fit you anymore, don't put pressure on yourself to fit into your old clothes. Most of the time your style has changed, so when you do hit that goal weight where you probably would be able to fit back into that dress or shirt or whatever it is, most likely your style has changed. So just get rid of it now, and it also is going to give you motivation to purchase something new once you get to that goal weight of yours. So this is what I have so far. I cleaned out a lot of stuff. I have a bag over there with all the stuff that's going to go out, and then I also have some stuff that are in the garbage can. You can't really see that I threw out too much, but guys, I definitely did throw out a lot. I do still need to get Nick's stuff in order, and then back here are all dresses, coats, and stuff like that. Now I only have a couple of jeans, so I definitely feel like I need to go shopping a bit. And the next thing I really do need to tackle is get in the back there and look at all the shoes and stuff that I have. But my next kind of project is to hit this bad boy right here. It has all of Nick's stuff, and believe me, he has way more stuff than I do. When it comes to organizing your dresser, if you have any overflowing drawers, consider expanding it into 2 different drawers until every drawer can close. Next, narrow down how many types of things are in the same drawer. The only thing that should be combined are going to be your bras or underwear, or for men, maybe your socks and your undershirts, but everything else should have its own separate drawer. And the last hack is when it comes to white t-shirts or any type of white article of clothing. If you've tried to bleach the stains out and it hasn't worked, it's time to toss that shirt and replace it with something fresh. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you found it motivating to start beginning the whole spring cleaning process of your own home and all of your clothes. Definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button below, as well as give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.